Hello everyone, this is Frances from Unil hydraulic. Today we will show how to install hydraulic leg cylinders on your motorhome. Firstly, find the four positions on your chassis to fix the hydraulic leg cylinder. Use the bolt to fix the cylinder's flange on your chassis. Each cylinder total have 10 holes for fix the application. Screw it and make sure it's tight. Next, let's connect the hose. We'll offer 8 holes in package. And this side will connect the hydraulic leg cylinder. Another side will connect the hydraulic pump unit. The cylinder's inner oil pot on the top, outer oil pot on the bottom. Connect it one by one. And we will offer the connectors third in the package for your using. Okay, any questions, welcome to leave a message to me on Alibaba. We will show how to install hydraulic pump unit on your motorhome in next video. See you soon.